How to increase stamina for exercise. Awesome tips that will increase stamina for exercises. 1. Be regular with your workout. Experts say that to maintain a minimal level of fitness, you must work out for at least 30 minutes a day and 5 days a week. You have to be determined, as stamina building will take time and you don't have to lose patience till you are there. 2. Take proper rest. Limiting your rest time in between sets doesn't mean that you don't have to rest your body. You should never strain your body beyond the limit it can go to. If you think you can't take as much stress, it is better to halt. Also, always make sure that you get a good night's sleep. Sleeping enough is the most essential step towards a healthier living, but often people disregard it. If you want to build stamina, you should never do that. 3. Eat protein. Protein is essential for the health of the muscles. Make sure you never skip on good sources of protein such as eggs, dairy products, chicken and pulses. 4. Eat multiple times a day. Try to have a 5-meal policy with smaller portions rather than a 3-meal policy with bigger portions. This will improve your body's metabolism, as there will be a continuous supply of energy. Also, if you eat big portions, your body is likely to get sluggish post that. 5. Eat good fat, though you should limit your fat intake, but do have good fat. You must know the difference between good fat and bad fat. Good fat comes from healthier sources such as fish oil, flax seeds, dark chocolate, nuts, chia seeds, and avocados. 6. Limit your rest time. Though resting is essential and is called the repair time for your body, start decreasing it gradually. If, let's say, you take rest for 2 minutes after 3 sets of an exercise, reduce the duration to 1 minute, 30 seconds. Then after a few weeks, reduce it to a minute, and so on. 7. Eat healthy. For many, stamina is simply about being physically active. That's not true. This is because in order to work out and perform exercises effectively, your body needs its fuel, that is, nutrition. Go for low fat, high protein and more raw foods. 8. Make sure to include carbs. Never skip on carbs. They are essential for muscle building. Also, they increase starch and sugar in your body, boosting your stamina and endurance in turn. So, it is good to have grains, pastas, brown breads, and cereals. 9. Start with things you love. Are you a dance person or a yoga person? Well, pick what you love. Be it Zumba, aerobics, badminton, tennis, cricket, or gymming, if you love what you do, you will not need any other motivation to get at it.